Hey there, tech enthusiasts and future IT gurus of India. Welcome back to the ultimate tech guide on YouTube. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of Azure Functions and how they enable you to create serverless logic, a vital skill in today's cloud-centric job market. Firstly, the concept of serverless computing itself is truly transformative. Azure Functions allows you to run small pieces of code or functions without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Instead, focus can be solely on writing and running code that brings your application to life. Let's roll up our sleeves and dissect 3 key technical points for creating serverless logic with Azure Functions. Implementation architecture. First up, understanding your implementation architecture is critical. Imagine you've created an application that performs image processing and tagging, sending results to users via email. Here we can utilize Azure Functions to manage various processes without constantly worrying about server maintenance. In a practical scenario, we'd architect our function to trigger upon new image uploads. Utilize Azure Storage Blob to handle files, and Azure Queue to manage and broadcast emails to users when the function completes. The function itself would invoke the image processing library, with the end result being a neat, reusable piece of logic. Azure Function Profiles. Speaking of reusability, function profiles are akin to an application configuration that allows code to be executed locally and across different environments. To illustrate, let's take a credit rating check from an e-commerce service. Using Azure Functions, you can create one profile that runs with a SQL database for local testing, another that triggers with the cloud's compute scale, and a third for the production setup. This saves time and resources as changes in the codebase reflect in all environments once they're published. It's not just about speed, but also consistency across environments, a TR.